Well, this is one of the nicest trios we've listed, say, this year, to be fair. Nice early shape, maybe continental, but actually, when I've gone all over this, we've done all the AI research we can on the pattern reference number and the work on here and the shape. It's a Worcester shaped cup, but there's nothing tying it really to the Worcester factory, and it could have been made by a number of places. Some of them are much further east than Worcester. Could well be Dresden or Limoges this, but there's no identifying reference on it, so we just have to list it for what it is, which is a very fine and beautiful example of hand decorated, and this is fully hand painted, and all the gilding with this little beading around the top and rims of all these pieces are absolutely all done by hand. Beautiful, thin, paper thin bone china. Can you see the reflections coming through there as I move my finger up and down the outside? Very plain handle, but so elegant in this barrel-shaped teacup. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I think these are probably Fresias on the front aspects. Just a little freezer bud on the back. No inner wall decoration on here. It sits on this beautifully decorated little saucer bowl, quite deep in its relief, as you can see, which makes, again, us think about the age of this piece. Again, beautifully decorated, 3 panels of hand decorated foliage. No signature on any of these, unfortunately. If only somebody had taken the time to sign this, because I really think they were worth signing. Just look at that tulip bud. Beautifully executed. They really were a fine artist, whoever did the painted decoration on this piece. Again, plain rim with this little beading in the gilt all around. Quite a deep side plate. Again, no marks on it. In fact, the only piece with any distinctive marks, I think one of these pieces has got a pattern reference. There you go. Just on the saucer, 3119. I think this is probably 1860 to 1910 at the very latest, but it's probably 19th century due to the sheer quality of the workmanship that's gone into it. You won't find another one exactly like this. It's a unique piece, hand decorated. There will be variation, even if they made these in 6s or 7s or 8s or 12s. They'll all be unique and individual. So it's something that nobody else is ever going to be able to purchase. And a fine example of English bone china or porcelain china, decorated in a really top quality fashion by an experienced china decorator. It's going on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website here in the UK. Nicest piece, as I say, I've seen over the course of the last 12 months. Just wish it had a factory mark on it, and if we were able to definitively identify this as a specific manufacturer, I'm sure it will be reflected in a higher price, but we're going to be offering this on the merits of its decoration and its rarity and condition, which is absolutely A1 cabinet, collector's condition. Thanks for watching.